Credit limit. If you are giving credit for your customers, you can set up a credit limit for your customer. After you set up your credit limit, if any customer exceed their credit limit, you can get an alert from the system. We will discuss an example. You can go to customers, transactions, select customer tax invoices and click add a tax invoice. Select the customer. After you select the customer, system will display the customer credit limit and customer balance. For this customer, credit limit is 50,000. We will select items. Now this invoice value is 55,000. Credit limit is 50,000. We will save this invoice. Now system will pop up a message, your credit limit will be exceeded. Would you like to continue? If you want to continue, you can click yes, or if you want to cancel this invoice, you can click no and you can change the values. Like that, you can set up a credit limit for your customers.